My name is Kezia and we're doing a vlog. And today is Thursday. It's the 1st of April. Excuse me? 1st of April already?
That's crazy.
I have like these plaits on because I literally filmed a fashion reel today, and if you want to check it out, I can leave it over here as well for you guys. But before we do that, I just wish to introduce myself. As I said, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you get to stay, and if you do, it would mean the world to me if you would press subscribe. I post every single Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Wednesday or Friday are mostly beauty and makeup related videos, while Sunday are more vloggy type videos where I also share a lot of braces things as well. In this week's vlog, I'm going to be giving you a bit of a braces update because I've been officially 8 months with my braces because I did them on the 30th of July. Already 8 months, it's crazy, and I've noticed quite a big change. But I'll talk to you guys about that later on. I just wanted to introduce the vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Let me just include the reel that I just did. It's basically a Rachel Green inspired outfit reel. She's a TV character from Friends, which I am sure you all know and love. I absolutely love Rachel Green. Like, she's my favorite from Friends. And also yesterday, Makeup Revolution actually released their new Friends Series 3 collection. They have some amazing things, like they have some new eyeshadow palettes, sheet masks, setting sprays, and I got some stuff. Hopefully when that arrives, I'll make a video for sure. Literally just drove to a place because I had to pick up 2 packages. As you can see, one of them is Shine and then one of them is Rumwee. And I'm really impressed because I ordered these last week. It was, I remember, already arrived, and I have things like from PLT and Makeup Revolution, which are from England, and they take forever. So it's so sad to see, things that are from England which are taking much longer, yet then things from China, they literally arrive within a week thanks to DHL. I want to do a try on haul for sure. Obviously, I'll do like separate videos. I can't wait to actually go home and just, sit down. I'm just going to be opening them on my own. But yeah, let me show you the reel that I did about Rachel Green because now we're like going off tangents. So here you go. What did you guys think of it? What was your favorite outfit? Who was your favorite character in Friends? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you liked it. I'm trying to do them every week. So far I've done of the Bold Type, Riverdale, and now I did of Rachel Green. And I don't know yet what I'm going to do next week. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so we don't have work day. I didn't have work. I took vacation leave. And then Saturday is just, the day before Easter. And then Sunday is Easter. So I think I'll get a clip of Easter as well. So it's going to be like an Easter vlog plus a braces update. Actually, you know what? I can give you the braces update now because why not? So as a braces update, I feel like they are moving, but like example, Luke noticed how my bottom teeth are like straighter than ever, which I'm really, really happy about. The top teeth, like the front, these two, like they're not straight yet. They're like not in the place that I obviously wish for them to be. So I'm a bit disappointed that after 8 months, they still haven't moved in their place, but I'm really concerned. Like, I've been saying this in previous vlogs. I'm concerned that I would have to remove some teeth to obviously make space for more movement to occur. And my dentist had told me that that might happen. But I'm always, when I go to the appointment, I always get scared of asking him. So I kind of avoid it because I don't want to ask him, because I don't want to know that if I need to take off teeth. Because the hassle of taking off teeth, because you have to take off your brace, then you have to take off teeth, then obviously you have to wait for time to recover, and then you put on your braces again. And like that's a trauma, man. So I am trying to avoid asking him and praying to the mighty braces gods that I won't need to take off any teeth and that they will just magically fall into place as they need to be. But I'm just noticing, that those two aren't the best. And then I'm noticing, like, in the bottom teeth, I don't know if you can see. I don't think it shows. I see it. In the bottom teeth, like, there's like, I don't know what you call it in English. In Maltese, it's jebla. But when I go to my dentist to remove it, he doesn't remove it because obviously he cannot remove where the braces are. It's like jebla is like that yellow stuff that obviously grows through time, and it's a natural thing. And you go to dentist to basically clean that off when you go for your cleaning, because you still have to go to your cleaning. You're having braces every 6 months, but I actually have been going less than 6 months because I get quite a bit of this jebla. So yeah, I'm having this jebla at the front and where there's my braces, and he can't obviously clean there. So I'm like a little bit worried as to, like, I don't ask many questions. I stay away from asking, which I should not. I should ask questions more. As such, I think those are the only concerns. I'm washing my teeth less, I have to be honest. I don't wash them as much as I used to. And I've had a braces buddy join me this month. I'm meeting a lot of you guys on YouTube as well who have their braces, so it's pretty cool. I think as a braces update, I think that's basically it. My next braces tightening will be in April, so actually on the 15th of April. So I soon have my braces tightening. Yay, I don't look forward to that at all. Just literally drove somewhere where there's like a beautiful view of the valley, and I just put my car there, and that's where I am. Oh, hopefully tomorrow Luke and I are going to go hopefully and see the sunrise. I saw a video of Latte's darling. Oh my goodness, she's amazing. She's an inspiration. She went to see it on her own. I would like to go and do that one day. Let me try it with Luke and see if we manage, and if we do, maybe one day I'll go and do this on my own, and it will be a lot of self-love. I believe to be happy, you have to be happy with yourself. She said in the video, I love her channel. I'll link her channel down below because honestly, she is an inspiration. I'm going to go and go home, stay unwrapping these things, and hopefully you'll see what more comes in this week's vlog. So yeah, obviously it's like the weekend vlog. Oh, I have to show you how I do my oats as well, so I'll show you that. And by the way, you can eat oats and braces and have braces, but I soak them up so they won't be as hard. I really miss granola, and I literally miss protein bars so freaking much. But anyways, also go and try and do a HIIT workout from Chloe thing. I will speak to you guys later. Bye! Hi everyone. It's currently 6:10 in the morning. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? No. And I have full face of makeup. Me and Luke are going to see the sunrise. Yes. Haven't woken up, I think. It is Friday and it is the 2nd of April already. Yeah, let's see how the sunrise goes. I'm actually very excited. I actually did my nails. I had that packet that I received from Elegant Touch from SV Beauty, and I stuck them on and they're really nice. I like them. I like having nails. So I'm just gonna keep them till Sunday, and on Sunday I'll remove them. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning.
Bonjour.
Okay, we're here waiting. So yeah. Decided to actually go outside of the car and watch it from outside, not from the car. There's actually no one, so that's pretty good. One, two. There's the sun. It has risen. It is so cool to see the sunrise, honestly. Hi everyone. So basically I am sitting down where I actually film my videos, and I thought of just catching up with you guys because I felt like I haven't vlogged. Today is Saturday, it's the 3rd of April already. Yesterday we got some takeaway, we got Pizza Hut, it was really good, and we went to see the sunrise, and then I cleaned my room, like massive deep clean where I like dusted, hoovered, washed the floor as well. My dad helped me as well a little bit because we had to move stuff around, but I'm really happy that I did it because I've been saying that I wanted to do it. Hey, something exciting happened. Well, besides I filmed the video obviously because I'm with makeup on. Saying I filmed a video, and now I'm just gonna stay watching some shows and maybe read a little bit as well, because I have to read some stuff of Gestalt. But basically today something really exciting happened, and I actually can now talk about it. So basically last week I told you that I have an exciting announcement coming, but I couldn't tell you all about it, but today I can. So basically, Peaches and Creme is the shop that holds all the Korean beauty. It's where I tried out all the sheet masks from, and they gave me a lovely opportunity to do that. And now, oh my goodness, they gave me another opportunity where I actually released a skincare bundle with them. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, I cannot believe it. Even when I saw my face on their website, and I was like, what, that's me? But yes, so that happened. So they basically invited me to do a bundle with them, and I did it. And it's actually called KEZZIE'S SELF-CARE BOX, because it's basically a box full of 7 sheet masks. And obviously sheet masks are very good to basically do self-care activity for yourself. Self-care is something important. It's something that I believe in. We live in a very fast-paced kind of reality, and it's very stressful, and even more so with the pandemic going on. So it's very important to take care of yourselves. You are a priority, and self-care is a priority. So yeah, so this box is full of 7 sheet masks. They are the 7 sheet masks I had tried out, and basically so I know how they felt, what they did, how much my skin loved them, etc. So basically I wrote a blog post explaining all the 7 sheet masks. I also shared with you sort of my skin type as well, because all skin types are different, but maybe being my skin type you would be able to better understand how the sheet masks work. Peaches and Creme, they ship to Malta, Gozo, and all of Europe. For now, I'm so sorry for those outside of Europe because they don't ship yet, but yes, so they ship only to Malta, Gozo, and Europe. You can also use my discount code, which is Kezia10, and you get 10% off your box. And then if you want to buy something else from the website, you can get 5% using Peaches X Kezia to get 5% off your order. I'm so excited. I cannot believe it. It's something that I've only dreamed of, and this obviously would have not been possible without you all and without all of your support. So thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. And thank you so much to Peaches and Creme Shop for also collaborating with me and giving me this lovely opportunity. I am truly, truly grateful. As I said, I'm going to leave the blog post link down below where you can get the box, what it includes, what I thought of the masks, etc, etc. It's all linked down below, and also a link directly to the box on the Peaches and Creme website. So yeah, I am so excited. I hope you enjoy it, guys. It's something that I've only dreamed of. I haven't showed you Mamma Mia the oats. I am so sorry, but maybe tonight I will show them to you. I'm actually gonna go do my wrap, which I had done last week, so I won't show you because it's actually exactly the same thing. But tonight I'm going to go to Luke's because his mom is cooking meat parcels and they're really good, so I'm excited. And then tomorrow is Easter. I know, guys, I know that this year again Easter is not the way we hope to obviously celebrate it as we normally do, as we had done last year. Basically last year we experienced the pandemic for the first time, and this year it's happening again. We're still in the pandemic, we're still in lockdown. Like in Malta, we are in lockdown to the 11th April. Everything is still closed. I still go to work, but everything else like shops, restaurants, and all that stuff are closed. So I can only imagine how difficult, that tomorrow is. My heart goes out to all of you, and I'm sending many, many hugs. Basically, don't allow it to basically take away Easter from you. Create a ritual in your own way. So yeah, I hope you would have done this, because obviously this vlog goes out at 4 p.m. tomorrow on Easter Sunday. So I hope that, through the day you found something that you could do as a family for yourself to celebrate Easter how you would try to celebrate it. Basically, create your own way of celebrating it. Basically, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And I'll talk to you guys later. But yeah, I hope you like the skincare bundle. Bye, guys. happy Easter to everyone. I wish you all a lovely Easter. I woke up and I was like, no, I'm not going to let the COVID situation not allow me to get ready. So I still got ready as if we were doing something for Easter. We're just going to eat as a family, basically. If it makes you feel good, do it. Let me show you what I'm wearing actually. Ignore I have no shoes on because inside we don't wear shoes. So I have these earrings on, which I think I had gotten these from eBay. Some rings on as well, and that's on the other side. My nails are going strong. I have to take them off tonight, which I really don't want to because I actually love how they stayed on. I'm wearing my Fossil watch, which hint hint, it doesn't work. It stopped working, but that's fine because it still looks cute. And I'm wearing this dress, which I actually bought from Pretty Little Thing. It's called a balloon dress. I did not know that. My mother told me about it. Very comfortable, actually. Basically, now I'm just going to finish this week's vlog and just close it up here. But I just wish to share with you that you can still, you know, do things that make you feel good. I am going to go because I need to edit this week's vlog and put it up. But I just wish to share with you this, and I wish to share with you as well. Happy Easter to you and to your loved ones, and take care and stay safe. If you like this week's vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And me and Nemo will see you in our next video. Bye.